Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So I have 3 to the power of m minus 2 to the power of m is equal to 65. So what I'm first going to do is I'm going to rewrite this as 3 to the power of m to the power of 2 over 2. And 2 over 2 is simply just 1, so we have 3 to the power of m to the power of 1, which is the same thing as 3 to the power of m. So I'm not making any major changes here. And I'm going to subtract this with 2 to the power of m to the power of, again, 2 over 2. Now this is equal to 65. Now, I can actually rewrite this as 3 to the power of m over 2 to the power of 2, because these two 2's cancel out anyways, so this is just equal to 3 to the power of m. And I'm subtracting this with the same thing over here, 2 to the power of m over 2 to the power of 2. Now I'm going to let the variable x equal 3 to the power of m over 2, and I'm going to let y equal 2 to the power of m over 2. So now I have x squared minus y squared is equal to 65. Now, if I have something in the form x squared minus y squared, I can write this as x plus y times x minus y. So I have x plus y times x minus y is equal to 65. So now x plus y times x minus y, this is equal to 13 times 5, because 65 is equal to 13 times 5, meaning we could say that x plus y is equal to 13 and x minus y is equal to 5. So now if I add these two together, x plus y is equal to 13 and x minus y is equal to 5. If I add these two together, I get 2x. There's not going to be any y because plus y and minus y cancel out, and this is equal to 13 plus 5 is 18. And this means that x is equal to 9. So if x is equal to 9, then this means that y is equal to 4, right? Because 9 plus 4 is 13 and 9 minus 4 is 5. So we have y is equal to 4. So now I have, let's plug in x in here. So now I have 9 is equal to 3 to the power of m over 2. And 9 is the same thing as 3 squared. So I have 3 squared is equal to 3 to the power of m over 2, meaning 2 is equal to m over 2, and m is equal to 4. So this is our answer. M is 4. Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So we have 4 to the power of x plus 4 to the power of x plus 4 to the power of x plus 4 to the power of x is equal to 1. Now, because I have so many 4 to the power of x's on my left-hand side, I'm simply going to factor out 4 to the power of x. So now I have 4 to the power of x times. Now 4 to the power of x divided by 4 to the power of x is 1, because anything divided by itself is 1. So I have 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. And this is equal to 1. Now I want to simplify what's in the parentheses. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is simply 4. So now I have 4 to the power of x times 4 is equal to 1. Now I'm going to go ahead and divide both sides by 4. So then these two would cancel out, and I would be left with 4 to the power of x is equal to 1 over 4. So now if I have something, so let's say we have a to the power of negative 1, right? This is equal to 1 over a. So in this case, we have 1 over 4, and we can think of 4 as a. So 1 over 4, this is the same thing as 4 to the power of negative 1. So now I have 4 to the power of x is equal to 4 to the power of negative 1. And if I have something in the form a to the power of m is equal to a to the power of n, then this means that m is equal to n. So in this case, m is x and n is negative 1. So x is equal to negative 1. So negative 1 is our answer.